Hello guys, my video is about how to remove fake Firefox update alerts. Sometimes you may see strange fake Firefox update messages claiming about some important Firefox update available. The pop-up says that you need to install to continue. But the problem is that instead of this update, people install a lot of browser hijacking programs. For example, this is what is actually promoted. Some PDF converter, that's the unwanted extension that will change a lot of browser settings without your permission. So when you start submitting some search queries, you may notice that the results are delivered by some unfamiliar search engine. It doesn't always happen like that, but nevertheless, it might occur that the results will be delivered either by Bing or by Yahoo or by something else. So you should not trust all these strange pop-ups by Performoverlyoriginalapplication.icu or something similar. It's a fake alert that you should not trust. If the extension was installed, you need to go to the Firefox add-ons. Then you need to find some suspicious extensions here and get rid of that. So we see this strange cozy search. We need to remove it. We also see this search with engine of your choice extension. We also need to remove it. And other suspicious extensions too. After this has been done, I also recommend that you double check your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus for Mac that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So download this software, install the program, and wait until it updates the antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan to begin the detailed analysis of your Mac computer, and at the end of scan the detailed report will be given. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific threat manually one at a time. So this is the free manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.